Hello everyone, and welcome to a video that I didn't know I was going to be able to film today. I actually don't think I'm going to be able to film the whole thing today, but I figured I can at least do the unboxing. I mean, you guys are all seeing this in the same video. Okay, well, it is that time once again. I have got my Stitch Fix for the month, but really I get it every other month. It always feels like I get one every single month, but they do have it set to every other month. Regardless, I thoroughly enjoy Stitch Fix. You guys seem to like it here on my channel too, which makes me very happy. For anyone who doesn't know, real quick, I do always have my affiliate link down below if you are curious about trying out Stitch Fix for yourself. I personally do, affiliate or not, love Stitch Fix. I think it's a lot of fun. I love seeing what a random stylist out there picks for me, what they think might look good on me, and it just pushes me to get out of my comfort zone with some fashion items. It comes with the pre-stamped mailer bag, so you don't have to worry if anything doesn't fit, you don't like it, whatever, just send it back. It is all a part of the box experience. It's 20 bucks to get styled however often you do or don't want to, and then that 20 bucks ends up going towards any purchases. If you end up purchasing any of your items, it's 5 items per box. Sometimes it's clothes, sometimes it's accessories, sometimes it's shoes. It looks like we have some shoes here. I don't think I put in a request for anything specific this month, so this should all be a surprise for me. Let's see what is in this bag. As I said, I believe it's shoes. It is, I think I like these. They're cute. From MIA or Mia. I do have some shoes from this brand. The only worry is that I have very fat feet. Ooh, it's like a jelly insert. Can you all see? Sorry, it's black, so it might be hard to pick up on camera, but can you see how my finger imprints it? Those might be comfy. They remind me of those like washable shoe brands. At first I thought that's what it was. And this is kind of in a tiger stripe, pointy flat. I'm excited. I really hope they fit. Said I'm a little nervous about it. I do have it set on my profile that I have wide feet, so hopefully that was taken into account, but I do like them. Now let's see what they included for clothing. Last month was quite the bust, but ooh, this is a soft thing. And this is a shirt that looks like something I would absolutely wear. It's kind of like a chic safari, yeah? Anyways, I love this kind of a deep olivey green. It's like a mix between a forest and an olive green, and it is very soft. Kind of looks like it would be a denim material, but it's not. It's very much a fabric. Not that denim isn't a fabric. This is from the brand Pistola? I don't know. I hope this fits over my boobs. We won't know until we try. Going into the fall, I mean, that would look really cute with the shoes, tucked into a skirt, with some black high-waisted skinnies or something. We also have this really cute top. Ooh, I like this. This is from Democracy. Kind of funny that that's made in China. But just feels like a soft, lightweight t-shirt. Semi-sheer. Can you tell that it's semi-sheer, maybe? But it feels very soft and lightweight, and it's just a nice tie-dye. It's got a tie at the front, which I do enjoy. So that's cute. I can pretty much tell you without even trying that on that I'm gonna love that. And then, it's a dress or a jumpsuit? Oh boy, it's a jumpsuit. We'll see. The last time they sent a jumpsuit, I was actually pleasantly surprised with how it looked on me. So maybe that will happen again. This is from Skies Are Blue for the brand. The material, I don't really know how to describe it. It's a stretchy material, but it looks like that kind of, I feel like you see it at thrift stores a lot with older dresses and whatnot that you would find like on a resort vacation, and there's like fish and different animals printed on it. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Kind of like a canvas, but this really isn't. It's a lot softer, and like I said, it's got stretch to it, which normally that fabric doesn't. It's got extra buttons. Just kidding. I think there would be extra buttons if this wasn't opened. At least that's what it looks like that would have been. But yeah, it's a short sleeve pantsuit, jumpsuit, kind of looks like pajamas with the buttons going down the front, but it has an actual waist to it, it has pockets, so we'll see. I'm not gonna write it off just yet because like I said, I was surprised at how much I liked the way the last jumper they sent me looked on me. And then, are they shorts? It's a skirt. Okay, I'll still take it. Yay! This is cute. It's just a denim black skirt. All right, love it. This is from Just Black. I wonder if they only make black clothing, but it's a simple denim cutoff skirt. Not much else I can say about it other than it has the potential to be something I really enjoy. Oh, this box looks like it was perfection made for me. Oh, I can't wait to try this stuff on. Like I said, y'all will have to wait until tomorrow. No, you won't. I will have to wait until tomorrow. You guys are gonna see me try this all on in just a second here. All right, got some good news, got some bad news. I think we can tell which is which, maybe. I suppose you can't really see the skirt. Spoiler alert, the skirt is such good news. The shirt, unless you like this look, is bad news. Purely because it's too small for me. Because there's no stretch in the material, which I do have this like listed on my Stitch Fix account. If they're ever gonna send me a non-stretchy material shirt, I need it in a double XL to fit my bust and also sometimes my arms and shoulders. I mean, it fits this one arm just fine, but this is my fat arm and it's a little constricted on my fat arm. But I do like the idea of the shirt and I think it's really pretty. You know, the color and everything. All right, that was the saddest excuse for tucking in this shirt, but you know, it would look so cute with this skirt and with those shoes that came in this, right? Like that right there, that's a cute outfit. The shirt is also great length, so if I would want to wear it just on its own, you know, comes to a good spot on me, I think. Or if I wanted to wear it open over a tank top or something, totally doable. The skirt, as I said, is so cute, fits me like perfectly around my waist and stuff. I mean, any denim skirt will emphasize a pooch if you got one, but I'm trying to embrace my pooch. It's a good length on me. It's nice and stretchy. So if for some reason I wanted to just go like that, I could. Great options. So versatile. Is this way too much to show that part of my bra? Do you get what I'm saying? Wear this open as well. Cute. Here's this shirt. I knew I would like it on me. I even like it better than I thought I would on me. I love the way that the tie-dye does the V. It's kind of like, I don't know, like slightly emphasizes my broad shoulders, but simultaneously I think thins them out. I don't know, either way. Love this shirt. Nice, lightweight, breathable, fits me loosely. I mean, could I wear it with this denim skirt? I mean, I guess I can do anything I want. I don't know that I ever would. This is more for with jeans or something like that, but I do think it is nice on me. Fits me great. Feels exactly like the kinds of shirts that I love to wear and am comfortable in. Can you imagine? With some kind of a nice necklace. I think it's cute. I really like the colors and stuff, yeah? Wait. Wait. This jumpsuit pajama situation was made for me though? Like, first off, button, who's got the button? I do. It was in the pocket, the extra button. Also, really nice touch on the waist part. It not only has the buttons here, but it's got the little boop boop. I forget what those are called, just so you've got some extra insurance holding you together. Kind of wish they continued that on the bust because I could kind of use that right there. But honestly, you know, if I wore a tank top under this or something, whatever, but like nips it at the waist, has those pockets, fits my shoulders and my arms perfect. And you guys, the real kicker, these are the perfect length on me. They're not dragging on the floor, which leads me to believe that this is actually supposed to be some kind of like a capri kind of a jumpsuit. But can we see the length of the pant and can we see the shoes that fit perfect? I don't think you can. Come on, camera, work with me. Look at that! These are some of the comfiest shoes I think I have ever adorned on my feet. And look, the pant isn't gonna drag. Ugh, my 5'2" frame is so happy, like, to find a pant that does not need to be hemmed. Unless you are a short person like me, you don't understand. Well, maybe you do if you're a tall person. Run into the opposite problem, but what is this jumpsuit perfection? Here you go. This is maybe a better angle where you can actually see the length of the pant and these shoes because they are so cute and they are so comfy. I love that they've got this like raised little lip on the back of the shoe so that they don't slide off, you know? And they're so squishy from that insole, isn't that what it's called? Oh, my friends. All right, so potential crisis moment because I do want to keep everything in this box. Obviously, as I said, I will need to exchange that green shirt, so hopefully they have it in a size up because I know this stuff is probably going to be expensive and I would like to get that 5-item discount that happens when you keep all 5 things hello in your box. So whew, hot flash coming on. Let's see if I did have Emily again. Wonderful. Let's see what she had to say. Says, happy fix day. I am so sorry that the last fix missed the mark. Well, you done did change things around, Emily. But as always, I appreciate your honest feedback and hope to have found some things that you'll love today. Oh, I did. I really did. She started by grabbing a totally on-trend black denim skirt. It's going to be great as we transition seasons. In the weeks ahead, try it with the olive top. You can front tuck the top, then add the cute and comfy flats from Mia or MIA. Still not sure how to pronounce that to complete the look. When the weather starts to cool again in Minnesota, style that skirt with a chunky sweater. Oh, I will, and some booties. Heck yes. Also added an on-trend tie-dyed tee, and that will be really cute for one of your videos. It sure will. These outfits are pretty on point for me. Now, the nerve-wracking part. Let's see, my friends, what the damage is. So, the knit flats. Oh, those are cheaper than I thought they were going to be. 49 bucks. That's awesome. The utility top is 68 bucks, which I do think is, you know, overpriced. But with the quality of the material, how soft that is, and how like sturdy and everything that it feels, I understand why it's priced around there. I feel like retail, it would probably be more around like the $55, $60 mark. But the tie-dye tee is also a bit overpriced. It's 48 bucks. I could see that retailing more for about 35 or 40. Jumpsuit, 68 bucks. That's perfectly acceptable. And the denim skirt is 58 bucks, which again, you know, I would put it more at like 45 to 55 bucks, but they do have to, you know, up price things because otherwise how would they make money as a company, Stitch Fix? You know, you gotta pay the stylists and everything. So the total would have been just about 300 bucks, $291, but with the buy all discount of 25% off, brings it down to $218.25, and then with my styling fee off of that, brings it just under $200, you know, for 5 items. Granted, this ain't Goodwill, this is not a thrift store, but for 5 items, so what is that, 45 bucks per item? As I said, do I think all of them are worth that price tag? No, but I am okay with paying that. So I am very happy with this fix. My God, when was the last time a fix has been so on point for me? I'm so happy with this one. Thank you so much to my stylist. I mean, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. This is all coming out of my pocket. I just genuinely love Stitch Fix, and it's a wonderful day, not necessarily for my wallet, but for my heart and my body. It's a wonderful day when we get all 5 items. Perfect. Like I said, when is the last time this happened? I honestly cannot remember. So certainly let me know in the comments down below if you love Stitch Fix as well, or if you are going to try it out. Again, my affiliate link is down below if you want to get yourself some kickback and get myself some kickback as well. If I'm not mistaken, my affiliate link will basically give you your first box for free. Not if you end up keeping all of the items, but at least, you know, it'll take off the styling fee, so you get to try out your 5 items. And if you don't want any of them, send them back. cost you absolutely nothing. At least I'm pretty sure that's how that affiliate link works out. And then, as I said, it earns me a little bit of kickback as well that I can put towards future Stitch Fixes and whatever else I want, I suppose. You can also let me know what you thought of these items on me. Did you like them? Did you not? You are allowed to have differing opinions, but you know, if you did like them on me, I appreciate hearing that as well. You can also just let me know if you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, whatever the case may be, by giving it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you are new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. Become a member of my casserole family here on this channel. I would love to have you here. And as always, I hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!